Hello, 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 and here, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator living in Narberth, Pembrokeshire. Look what I've got. Woo-hoo! I didn't expect both of them to come today, but I better open them. I can't keep it like this forever, can I? Right. Oh, what's have we got in here? Oh, all the rubbish is going on the floor. Oh, I'll open that one afterwards. Oh, well, these are nice. These are the tea room copper stickers. Tell you the truth, I am not totally sure how to use these, but what I will do, I will have a look and find out how, and then I'm going to have to try and do it somehow so that you can see them. Yes, I think you was. I know you've got to peel them off or something, but there must be some other way of doing it. But look, butterflies! Yay! Don't like bees. Well, wasps, whatever they are. But I think they could be bees, because this could be sort of like a tea set, and where you have jam and honey and stuff. So I'm looking forward to learning all about those. Now then, why don't these things ever go back the same way as you got them out? I don't know, but won't waste time with them now. I shall carry on with these. Right, right, now these, all things fabulous. Now I saw last week, I think it was. What day is today? Monday? Yeah, no, it must have been last week. I saw Liz Yuille. She's on. She does a lot of YouTube. She's an excellent demonstrator, and I saw her using these, and she explained exactly, because they're like it's like 3D stamping or something. Two-step stamping they call it, but there's 1, 2, 3, and she showed us how to put them all in line and everything, and I couldn't stop at that. So, oh dear. I don't think my hands are working very well today. Oh, they can go away. I'll pick everything up later on, shall I? Right. Now, why I've bought these, okay, as you can see, these will cut out these ones here, and there's all the leaves and the other little bits, but I got it especially for this. Sorry, I'm low down to you, aren't I? How about there? Sorry if I jiggle. I bought the stamp set. I bought the dies to go with this stamp set because it's got a lovely lacy pattern, and I've got plans for that. So look out for my next few videos, and you might see something special done with these. Like I said, these are beautiful, and if you do get them, then I recommend you go over to see Liz Yuille's channel. Because she shows you exactly how to use them and which bit goes where and that sort of thing. Because you look at it and you think, I don't know, which is what I'm doing now actually. Never mind, I shall go and have a look at, what I tend to do as well is when I get these, I take them off these because they're like a sticky thing. So I take them off there, and I put some a magnetic sheet in there. Cut the sheet to size, and now then, big box, standard big box today, so sorry if you can't see me at the moment, but I should have done this earlier. Oh, that was easy enough. Now then, what have I got in here? Lots of paper, wrappers. Oh, wow. Ooh. Oh, I see, yes, right. Now then, this is a beautiful stamp. It is absolutely amazing, because you've got the little dillywats, you've got the the little birdhouse and the birds. Then you've got the leaves. Now the leaves can either go on the tree, or you can do autumnal colours and do them around the bottom of the tree. I'm not too sure about the dots yet, but I'm sure you'll be with me when I'm trying to figure that lot out. Now these, one, this, two, this. Oh dearie. Next time I do an unboxing, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to open everything first. Well, that's broken, that bit. Oh, you get two. Oh, that's good. I know it shows two on there, but you get two different ones. Now, I think, if I'm right, that Stampin' Up have bought a new embossing machine out. And I've got a feeling that these will fit into it. So you've got a lovely dotty one. And this is the one I particularly wanted. I have to do it like this because you can't see that. It's a basket weave one. I've got lots of plans for basket weaves today. Well, not today, but now there was this. Oh yes, I forgot about this. Oh, I am forgetting about everything I bought. So, this is another embossing folder that I like. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I like to do things with it's like scene building. And look at this beauty. Isn't that, can you see the pattern on there? All trees. And I know exactly what to use this for. I think this one, if I'm right, Evergreen Forest, it might go with the Forever Green stamp set and all. I'm not 100% sure, but we will see. And these. Look! Isn't that gorgeous? It's menagerie mix-up. And you can put all these little, put heads and toes and feet and hands. And oh, wow. I knew somebody else was going to enjoy this. It's my granddaughter, Ruby. I had one similar before, but I only had the dies and I didn't have the stamps. But I thought I was going to buy the dies, which I might actually will buy the dies, but I'm not sure at the moment. But look at his tail and his nose. Look at these are the ears and the hair. Look, ears. I call him ears, so look at that, the scarf and the hat. Oh, there's loads in here. And they come like that. Now there's one hard, there's one quite one quite thick, heavy one. But this one, you can see that's all light. So take the lighter one off rather than the heavy one. So I'm very excited about that one. More excited for when she comes over and plays with me. And this one is the Gorgeous Posies. Now, there is a kit that goes with this. It's in the catalogue. And if you put Gorgeous Posies in the search engine on my online shop, you will see this. And you'll also see the kit. Because what this does is, once you've finished with the kit, then you can go create your own with all these little berries and trees and leaves and bits and bobs. Oh, what am I going to be doing? First of all, I'm going to go and have a drink. Back in we go. Oh, now these aren't actually for me. These are for a friend of mine. But now look at this. This is tut or what? Look at it. It's a little dinky one. Oh, it's a little guillotine. Of course, very sharp. So if you buy one of these, then please keep your children away from it, because don't want fingers on the cards, do we? But there we are. So she wants those. So we've got those two going off to her. But it's beautiful. you know, we've got big paper trimmers and they're fantastic, but these little trimmers are like, I heard somebody describe them. If you're hoovering, you get your big hoover out, but if you spill something, then you want to get your little hoover out, or your little dustpan, you know, your dustpan and brush. So this will be the dustpan and brush of the paper cutter tool. Oh dear me. Put that back in tidy. So they will be on their way to my friends. Back in the box. Oh right, I thought this was a bit heavy. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 catalogues. So if you would like a copy of this catalogue, then please private message me, and there will be one winging its way to you without a doubt. Without a doubt, no. It'll be winging its way to you as soon as I can get it to you. Put that on the floor. Oh, I think I'm going to need a coffee after this. Now these, put that box down. Ooh. Right. Now these papers, these are the ones that go with the ornate garden set. And are these specialty papers? Yes, they are. They're specialty. Oh, look at that. Oh my word. Oh, they smell lovely. Tell me not. Tell me. Oh no, who likes to smell paper? Oh, now this is why it's called specialty paper. They're called specialty paper because they've got that gold running through them. But they're gorgeous, aren't they? Get 2 of each. Oh, look at that. Oh, imagine putting that in for, you know, cut a small piece out and, you know, like a mat or a topper size, then give it to your children and they can colour it in and they can do their own little cards then. That'd be beautiful. Oh, look. Oh, look at these. These are beautiful. I know somebody's going to like them too. I'm going to leave them out of the packet because you can go to the floor. Because I bought some 12 by 12 pockets the other day, so I'm going to put all of these in there. Oh, I forgot about this one. This is Balmy Blue glimmer paper. They saw me the other day when I bought some, I think it was gold, copper and rose I think I bought. But isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? And this is the one I think, it's not hard. You know, some glitter papers, there's the difference between a glitter and a glimmer paper. Glitter paper can be very hard, extremely hard, but to smooth, but no, these are lovely. Not much of a smell to them, never mind. I've got no idea what this is off. Oh, these are the new papers. Yes, this is one of the new papers in our new catalogue. And these are from a set called Gilded Autumn. And I think autumn is becoming my most favourite season of the year. There we go, year again, see? Well, you see that. If you look on the web, on my online store, there is a sweet called Forever something or other. Forever Fern, I think it's called. And these are very similar, so you can mix and match them. These again, I believe, are specialty papers. Yeah. So if I can flick them like this. Oh, wow, look at that. Ooh, that's nice. So you've got to have 2 of each. One you keep, and when you smooth, you stroke it. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Well, there's the foil side of the first one I showed you. Oh, look at that. Stripes on the back as well. Ooh. Oh, that takes me back many years. I had a skirt like that many, many years ago. It was all the rage at that time. And then there's pumpkins. What's the one? I say pumpkins, and that is the paper underneath. It's very subtle paper. So there's that one sorted. How many more have I got? Oh, you're all right. This is the last one, so don't panic. Oh, that can go off as well. No, oh, hang on, I forgot to say which one this is, haven't I? No, it's not that one. Oh, Brightly Gleaming this is. I bought it because I just love golden shiny paper. Ooh, oh, that's lovely, look. Look at that. I get it for that side. I got it for that side. That's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, there's lots of things I could think of doing with this lovely striped background. And even though this is all gold and shiny, you can still do men's cards with these very easily. Oh, and look at that. That's another one that you could use for a man's card. And that one definitely, look. Wow, they're beautiful. You know, you see them in the magazine, but they don't... They look better when you've got them in front of you, if you know what I mean. There's some more glittery, goldy paper there, and beautiful stars, but you could think of them as flowers as well. So, my darling ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have to show you for now. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, I've got spare catalogues if you ever need one. Bye.